you guys. Glad you're back. You know, I was at a friend's house a few years back and he asked me, hey, do you want something to eat? We were watching a game and stuff. I said, sure. I said, what are you going to make? He says, quesadillas. Well, there's a bunch of different ways to make quesadillas, right? So he was back there making quesadillas, so I decided to go back and see, you know, how he was making them. And he was making them out of this thing. I don't know if you can see it. This. Alright, I don't know if you can see it. This thing. Anyway, I've seen these things, you know, all over the, you know, retail stores. You know, they say they're a quesadilla machine. You know, he made a quesadilla and it was pretty darn good. We're just going to make a simple cheese one right now and show you how it works. I'm sure you already know how it works, but you got to get one of these things. They're only like, I see them at like repurposed stores, secondhand stores, for like $5 to $10. You got to get one of these. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open this up. We're going to get 2 tortillas. What you want is, you know, make sure you got the right size tortillas, but don't get them too thick. You know, these are kind of thin. So I'm going to put first layer down there. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. And you don't need a ton of cheese. Okay, make sure it only gets on the tortilla, not on the on this black area here where it gets hot, because then you're going to have a heck of a time cleaning it. Okay, looks about good. Keep it about a ½ inch away from the edge. That's good enough. Put that on there. And then we're going to close it. And we're going to push down and it locks. You push down and this thing locks in. We're going to leave it in there for about, oh, I'd say 2 minutes. Okay, so when you're ready to take it out, you push down, you push this thing up. There you go. If you want them a little darker, you leave it in. This one's been in there for about 2.5 minutes. So we're going to take this out. We're going to put it on a plate. Look at that. The neat part about it has these, you know, corners already cut out. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? The next one I'm going to make is cheese, and I'm going to cook up and chop up some little pieces of steak.